Are you looking for the best soldering insertion extraction tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best soldering insertion extraction tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Fillmore D-Sub Insertion Tool. The Fillmore D-Sub tool is a handy tool designed specifically for inserting and extracting crimp-type pins for D-Sub miniature connectors. With its 4-length and plastic body, this tool provides a convenient solution for working with D-Sub connectors. The metal ends of the tool ensure durability and reliability during use. The red end of the tool is used for easy pin insertion, while the white end is designed for effortless pin extraction. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool allows you to work efficiently and effectively with D-Sub connectors. With a package of 3 tools, you'll always have a backup on hand. Simplify your D-Sub connector tasks with the Fillmore D-Sub tool. Up next in the 4th place is the Rready ST5263 Tube Type Ejector Rod Contact Extraction Toolset. The Rready Contact Extraction Toolset is a versatile and reliable toolset designed for removing pins and sockets from various connectors. With 3 different kits included, this toolset offers wide compatibility for AMP, T, JSDFL, Molex, and more. The internally chamfered needle head design ensures smooth and seamless insertion into connector terminal holes, providing reliable connections. The push rod mechanism makes it effortless to remove terminals with minimal effort, offering a precise and efficient terminal removal experience. The stylish and ergonomic design of the toolset, with its captivating camouflage blue color hexagonal handle, not only adds flair to projects but also offers a comfortable grip. Ensure the pin removal tools match your connector and terminal for optimal performance. The 3rd product on our list is the Rready ST5229 Tube Type Pin Extractor Toolset. The Rready Pin Extractor Toolset is a versatile toolkit designed for removing pins and sockets from AMP.062 and Molex .062 and .093 connectors. With 2 extraction tools included in the package, the DRKT210250 and DRKT310360, this set is suitable for different contact sizes. The DRKT310360 can be used for Molex standard .093 series male and female contact and JSTL and LL series male and female contact, while the DRKT210250 is designed for Molex standard .062 series male and female contact and JSTML and EL4, 5 series pin and socket contact. These tools feature a quenching process for higher hardness and corrosion resistance, ensuring durability. The aluminum handle design makes them easy to hold and operate, providing convenience for users. Second on our list is the Rready ST5142 Removal and Installing Toolkit. Rready Toolkit is a versatile soldering insertion extraction tool designed for removing and installing MIL series and some non-MIL round contacts without causing any damage to the electric connectors. With the DRK12B, DRK16B, and DRK20B removal tools, you can easily remove contacts using the brace pipe with an ejector pin. The DAK12B, DAK16B, and DAK20B installing tools feature a small slot on the installing rod, ensuring enough tensile force to effortlessly install contacts into electronic connectors. The compact size of this toolkit makes it convenient to carry, making it an excellent choice for outdoor use. Finally, the top product on our list is the Rready ST5135 Extraction Toolkit. The Rready Extraction Toolkit is designed for removing contacts in various electronic connectors. With 3 different removal tools, DRK20B, DRK16B, and DRK12B, this kit is suitable for contact sizes 20, 16, and 12 respectively. The tools are made with stainless steel nickel plating probes and color oxidation handles, making them stronger, wearproof, and durable. The brace pipe includes an ejector pin, which facilitates the removal of contacts. The kit comes in a black canvas bag and includes the red divided by DRK20B, blue divided by DRK16B, and yellow divided by DRK12B tools. With this extraction toolkit, you can easily remove contacts in MILDTL 26482, MILDTL 26500, MILDTL 26518, AS50151, and AS81703 series electronic connectors, providing convenience and efficiency for your electronic projects. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.